Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do another DIY. So I'm using an African shape. I'm using True Red by Deco Art. I painted the Africa on that side and a little line across. You can prime this wood, and then we'll go on to the next step. I'm going to get a pencil, and we're going to draw a star. I'm just going to paint all around here. I'm working with wet paint, y'all. Coconut milk. Really loving this. This bottle is mainly gone, so I'm gonna see if they got this in a big bottle because I really I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna come back my gloss and hook it, and we will be done. All right, y'all, I'm finished. All right, so let me tell y'all quickly what I did right here. So if you see the white dots, I put a dot of black on top of the white dots, and I did it over here too. I beaded it up. I used some seed beads, and I also used a dyed agate bead. And I got a sterling silver hook on there. I painted the back black. This design is called Black Indigenous America Flag. This black star that I have on here, I used extreme glitter, and then the reason why I do that because it represents our ancestors. If anybody gonna represent America is the indigenous people of America, which I believe the originals was black, and America, if anybody is the owners and have the birthright of America, it should be Black Americans. Even if you're indigenous or you came from Africa and you was stolen from Africa and brought here, this design will be cute on a United States shape or a South America shape. This could be worldwide. So when we look at it, we got the black star that represent our ancestors, and there's millions of stars, and there's a whole bunch of stars in there. And then we got the black that represent our people, or indigenous black people and Africans. And then we got the green, the land. The land is ours. It was stolen from us. And then we got the blood that was shedded on American soil and is still being shedded on American soil by the oppressor. And then we also got the gold, the richness of this land. Even though a lot of people talk about, you know, America is a powerful land, and the only reason why it's powerful because of the 400 years of free labor, and that's the one is powerful. And the free labor came from the indigenous black people and the black people that came from Africa. That's what these represent, y'all. With the will of the God in you and the God of your ancestors, or whatever God you believe in, if it's Jesus, if it's Yahweh, whatever you believe in, take the design and multiply it. And if y'all could give the history of what it means to someone, this is the Black Indigenous American flag. This is what I created, y'all. And this is a tribute to our ancestors. Ooh, so heavy. Don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Respect those that respect you. Adopt a pet from your local rescue or shelter. And even if you don't want to adopt a pet, donate. Donate to an organization. Even if it's not pets, donate to. It's so much stuff going on in the world. Donate and help, because money is a resource, and it's not the root of all evil. It helps people. It's a lot of people that's doing good out there, and we don't really see it. You just see a lot of the evil, but it's a lot of good energies out there that I think people should support. Leave a beautiful comment. Respect those that respect you. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next DIY. Salam, salam.